Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the referral code on Weex. And this is quite simple if you know that if we go here to this icon right here, we can go here to affiliate. So we click here on affiliate, and then from here we can click on apply now. Then he will send me to this website. And right now we need to fill in all the things that are standing right here. So after this, we send this complete profile to Weex and they will check our profile, and then after that they send a referral code to your email. So filling everything correctly right here and send them this to them will give you a nice referral code. And also they're telling after submitting the materials, the specialist will contact me within 1 to 2 working days. So keep that in mind. So from this page, you will get the referral code in your mail. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.